The intended audience for this video course on Microsoft Exchange Server 2003 is actually two groups, and I'm trying to hit the best of both worlds here. First and foremost, I've designed this for those of you who are new to Microsoft Exchange. Now, that's somewhat of a challenge because Exchange has been a predominant email collaboration product in the marketplace for quite a few years, going all the way back to Exchange 5.0, then 5.5, Exchange 2000, and now 2003. So if you're new to Exchange, welcome to the club. There's a lot to learn here, and if you'll follow the course start to finish, I'll get you started on the basics. If you're an experienced Exchange administrator, there's a lot of information here for you as well, and I would strongly recommend that you go through the course, and you may want to watch at least the first part of each video and decide whether or not you're up to speed on that particular portion. There were significant changes made in installation because of some issues with Windows Server 2003 and Exchange Server 2003 and so forth. So you may want to watch those. I talk a fair amount about migration because there's some issues there you need to be aware of, and then some of the new features that we hit along the way. When we get into the design and implementation, if you're an experienced Exchange administrator, understand that has not changed dramatically. There's been very few changes there, as a matter of fact. So you may not want to watch all of those videos, but there's a lot of information that can be gleaned from this for you. So don't feel like you've wasted your money here. There's a lot of things you can learn. Now, the resources, I will mention over and over and over through this course that you need to go here and read this or go there and read that. Most of the information that you need for Exchange to get you going is out on Microsoft's website. Now, Microsoft does an excellent job of providing documentation for you. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. If you're an experienced administrator, you may already know this. Microsoft is a marketing company first and foremost. And so one of the things that they know is when they release a new product like Exchange 2003, they need to get as much technical information into the hands of their certified folks as fast as they can so that they can understand this thing and make it work efficiently. Anytime Microsoft releases a new product, you should go to the home page for that new product and you will find more information than you can read in a month out there that's free for the downloading. And I want to show you right here. We're going to go out to Microsoft.com/exchange. I'm going to open Internet Explorer here, and notice, being a good Microsoft nerd that I am, I go straight to the Microsoft.com homepage. Well, where I want you to go is www.microsoft.com/exchange, and if you spell it right, it works. So I'll go to Exchange, and you'll notice here that this is the Exchange Server homepage. There's a lot of information here about Exchange. Is right up here on the top. Go to Technical Resources, come over and go down to Product Documentation. And notice there's a lot of other real interesting things here. We're not even going to go into those right now. But if you look at Product Documentation, you're going to notice that what comes up is various pieces of documentation. Notice these are divided into Exchange Server 2003, Exchange 2000 Server, and Exchange Server 5.5. Now, what's really interesting about this on Exchange Server 2003, if I go down to Technical Documentation Library and click on this, this is the things that we go to the bookstores and wander through the aisles looking for. Notice Planning and Architecture. I'll use this one for example. Planning an Exchange Server 2003 messaging system. This can make you a hero down at the office. Notice this is an online book that Microsoft has put out, and it's telling you how to. They're telling you here, notice 141 pages. So if you download this thing, and I believe this is in Word document format, this is